Hi, my name is Peter Gilroy with Bonny Doon Engineering. Welcome to our video series on working with the hydraulic press. This video is about the forming bar set. This is a kit with 3 different sizes available in a 1-inch or 25 millimeter, 1¼ inch diameter or 32 millimeter, and 1½ inch or 38 millimeter. Now, why and when would we use these forming bars? So for forming this bracelet, I'm going to switch to this 1¼ inch diameter forming bar instead of the 1¾ inch bracelet former. And this bar is going to help me to get a tighter radius in my bracelet here. So you can see here on the bracelet, on this right side that I formed with the original bracelet former, it still doesn't have a nice radius to it and doesn't quite have the shape I want to fit a cuff. On the left side here, I used this 1-inch former to get a nice tight radius to it. On thick metals and really tough metals, like titanium, stainless steel, hard brass, you get spring back. And that is why we have to use some of these smaller diameter formers to get the correct radius for our bracelet. Sometimes the red urethane is not hard enough to bend the really thick or tough metal that we're working with. In that case, we're going to use this brown urethane or 115 urethane in order to give more strength to our forming. So when I'm forming these thick and tough bracelets, I really like these formers because I can use the 3 different sizes to get a progressive curve to create a nice, good-looking oval on my bracelet. For example, I'm going to use the 1-inch closer here to the end, the 1¼ inch right here, and then the 1½ inch further down. That's going to give me a nice smooth curve and a beautiful oval. So one thing that you'll notice when working with this brown urethane is that it does not rebound as fast as the red urethane. If you give this time, it will eventually rebound to its normal shape. If you'd like to accelerate this rebound, you can place it in a vessel of hot water. Do not boil it and do not use other heat sources. So you can see here, the beauty of forming with polyurethane is that we can work with delicate and complex shapes as this, forming a thick bracelet, yet not marring or deforming our pattern. So in summary, our forming bar set is a great tool for forming smaller bends, smaller radii. It's ideal for making small bracelets and for working with hard to bend metals. For more information, see riogrande.com. Thanks for watching.